Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about some really magical yet neglected tips for getting that perfect 9 in IELTS. I myself have got a 9 band score in IELTS reading, therefore I would like to share the tips that I followed during my practice journey for the IELTS test. And I have also inserted an image as a proof to you guys. So the first step that I am going to talk about here is to manifest. And by manifest I mean is to think positive, to think that you will definitely score a higher band, and you should start your journey by thinking positive and thinking about your imagination, because only then your dreams would come true. And the second tip that I followed was to read more. And by read more, I mean to read books, English newspapers, and I myself have read so many books and newspapers, and they have truly helped me to increase my vocabulary. And the third and the most important is to practice. Practice each and every type of reading passage so that you don't face any difficulty on the IELTS test day, because you will already be familiar with the reading passages. And the fourth tip is to think in English. I have always heard to think in English, but I didn't know how to think in English, because as native Indians we are able to think only in our language. So while you read any English passage, translate it to your own language and try to understand it. Only then you will be able to answer that passage, that question carefully. Try to understand the question and then the passage in which the answer is located. So the fifth tip here is to speed read. And by speed read I mean to read fast. Try to read more and more books, more and more newspapers, and then you will notice that your reading speed has increased, because as you're reading a lot of books, then your reading speed will increase, and it will surely be helpful on your IELTS day. And the sixth and most important tip is to enhance your vocabulary. The tip that I followed during my IELTS journey, I used to read the newspaper such as the Tribune and highlight the words which I didn't understand, and after that I used to go to Google, search that word, and used to form sentences, use it in my conversations so I don't forget its meaning. And in this way it helped me a lot, and it enhanced my vocabulary and the reading passage. I didn't get any difficulty in understanding words. That's it for the video guys. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and comment in the comment section that what would you like to see in the future, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle @the Genial host.